The highly anticipated Kolter Golf Community, Astor Creek, is finally here, and you are going to want to hear all about this rival to PGA Village. I am Matt Celedonio, and I'm a local realtor here in Port Saint Lucie. Now let's get started. Astor Creek is located right off of Crosstown and Verano Parkway, just north of the Central Park community and just west of PGA Verano. The accessibility for this community is really great because it is located at the west end of Crosstown, where there is not a large amount of traffic over there, and you are very close to St. Lucie West via Commerce Center Drive and Tradition via Village Parkway. The Publix at Verano is only a mile away, and like I said, you are under 5 miles away from Tradition and St. Lucie West for more retail and shopping. And the other perk of this location is that you are directly next to the Crosstown 95 exit for commuting. Kolter Homes is a well-known and highly respected high-end builder in the area. Most people are familiar with Kolter Homes because they are the builders of PGA Verano. And fun fact, Kolter Homes, while now they build in Georgia, the Carolinas, and Florida, about 25 years ago, they started building their first single-family homes here in Port Saint Lucie in PGA Village. So they saw the value in Port Saint Lucie way back then, and they have continued to build in this area ever since. And another thing that Kolter is going to offer in this community, just like PGA Verano, is they are going to offer their 210 home warranty for any of your new builds. In Astor Creek, this community will only consist of single-family homes, and there will be 900 home sites. The first wave of home sites that are for sale are going to be closest to the entrance of the community and the clubhouse. As far as golf front lots that are going to be for sale in this first phase, they're going to be on the holes 7, 8, and 9. There will be 14 floor plans to choose from in 4 collections. There's going to be the Carson collection, which is going to have 4 floor plans ranging from 1968 to 2289 square feet. The Hepburn collection also has 4 floor plans and will be ranging from 2323 square feet up to 2776 square feet. The Monroe collection, and this is going to have 3 floor plans ranging from 2,876 square feet up to 3,265 square feet. And then we have the Turner collection, which is also going to have 3 floor plans ranging from 3,874 square feet up to 4,222 square feet. However, Kolter Homes does offer bonus room options, and for the Turner collection, you can actually do a second floor bonus, which is going to include 2 bedrooms and a loft, and this brings the living square footage over 5,000 square feet. For customization and features of these floor plans, Kolter on average has about 35 structural options per floor plan. There are also options for a 4-car garage and an extended lanai. The floor plans come with 14-foot ceilings in the foyer and 11-foot 4-inch ceilings throughout the rest of the homes. Kolter also offers hundreds of finishes for you to choose from in the design studio as well. The lot sizes in Astor Creek are going to have a minimum lot depth of 150 feet and a range width of about 50 to 80 feet. And obviously, being in a golf course community, there are going to be plenty of lots to choose from with large varieties of premiums. So the premiums in Astor Creek for a greenscape lot are going to range from $0 to $70,000. If you're looking for a waterfront lot, that is going to range from $50,000 to $250,000. If you're looking for a lot that has golf and waterfront, these lots range from $100,000 to $400,000. And if there is a lot on the site map that you know you would like to reserve, but you still have to figure out selling your home or getting everything prepared to get the funds, you are able to put $5,000 down to reserve a lot for up to 6 months. Now moving on to the amenities of this community. Being a golf community, we will obviously be starting with the golf amenities. There is a 15-acre double-ended driving range, as well as a 3-acre short game complex, which is going to have multiple bunkers and greens. And then there's also a 15,000 square foot putting green to practice on. It is really amazing that Astor Creek went all out for their practice facilities, because this is a game that you can never stop improving, and I just know you're going to see people out on these facilities all day and night practicing as much as possible and playing as many rounds as possible. So it is really money well spent that they put so much into the practice facility. And speaking of practice and improving, they are also going to have private tees available for lessons. And some of the other amenities included in Astor Creek are going to be the fitness center, and the fitness center is going to be equipped with eGym, which is a really cool and advanced software that is able to track your weights and progress virtually. I believe it's via a wristband that you wear. And there's also going to be resort style pools, a bar and restaurant, and of course pickleball and tennis courts. And this community is also going to have an event coordinator that is keeping the calendars full of events like happy hours, golf events, and performances. I think this is really great for going for the type of atmosphere that Astor Creek is striving for. This is an atmosphere that combines the luxury golf complex with lifestyle amenities, because usually what we see in Port Saint Lucie is the more popular neighborhoods either focus on golf lifestyle or on amenity driven lifestyle. So this will be the first community that we're really seeing bring them both together. And not to mention that this community is also not a 55 and older community, which usually the more lifestyle amenity driven communities in Port Saint Lucie typically end up being 55 and older communities. So this will be a really great community to bring all walks of life and all ages that love the golf scene and love to practice and play, as well as enjoying the amenities that Astor Creek has to offer. Moving on from the great amenities of Astor Creek, we now need to cover the monthly costs that are associated with Astor Creek. The HOA for this community is going to range from $225 to $240 per month, depending on the home collection that you purchase. And there is also going to be an annual CDD of this community that's going to range from $1,300 to $1,800. And there is an initial capital contribution of $1,000. And on to the most likely the most important part of your monthly fees, and this is going to be the golf membership. So purchasing a home in Astor Creek waives the initial fee for the golf membership. The golf membership is included with the purchase of a home and then is an annual fee for residents of $5,000. So if you're going to look at, well, what my monthly payment will be if I live in Astor Creek with the golf membership, it is going to be about $416 a month plus the $225 to $240. So basically you are looking at a monthly payment of about $641 to $656, and then don't forget you have that $1,300 to $1,800 CDD each year as well. The Astor Creek Golf Course is a semi-private golf course, and they are allowing invitation members. As of now, they have 50 invitation members, and the costs of this membership are $5,500 initial contribution with a $6,000 annual fee. And I say that they are accepting these members now because in the future they will likely go private because there will be too many residents and not enough spots on the tee sheets. Kolter says they are expecting to sell about 100 home sites a year, with maybe selling 120 in the first year just due to the demand of the new community. So you're looking at about 9 years before there's too many members, so that this invitation membership will be around for a good amount of time before it goes private. And while on the topic of the golf course, I just wanted to quickly go into some details and insights about the golf course. The architect of the course is Chris Wilshinsky, and he specializes in building and developing golf courses from the ground up within residential communities. I watched an interview with Chris talking about the community, and he said he drew inspiration for this course from Langford and Monroe, who were golf architects back in the 1920s and 1930s. This course can be played as far as 7,000 yards from the back tees and as close as 3,500 yards from the front tees, with a bunch of combinations in between, so you have more control over the distance you'd like to play this course at. Chris did make it a point of emphasis that he really focused on angles and playability of this course. He said that he wanted to really challenge the more skilled players with these angles, but also give other players opportunities to play away from the tougher angles. After hearing about all of the wonderful things of Astor Creek, it is now time to talk about the home prices of Astor Creek. So as of now, at the grand opening of Astor Creek, the prices are starting at $700,000 and can be as high as $2 million. Now this is subject to change in the future, so just keep that in mind if you see this video at a later time. And something else I wanted to discuss is the property taxes of Astor Creek, because a lot of people relocate here. They don't always know ahead of time that Port Saint Lucie has really high property taxes. So I just wanted to make sure I cover this, that I basically looked into the property taxes of PGA Verano to get a good estimate, because it is directly next door and has similar size homes, things like that. The ad valorem taxes that you could expect in Astor Creek is going to be about at a 23 millage rate. If you have any other questions about the taxes, I would be happy to share more information with you and direct you to the tax estimator. And on to seeing these homes in person. The models are now open in Astor Creek, so if you would like to see them, please contact me. I would love to spend some time showing you through these models. Please do contact me before you go to these models, because if you go to your first visit without me, Kolter will not let me be your realtor, and we don't want that to happen, do we? So please do just shoot me an email, let me know what days work best for you, and I will make it work with my schedule so that I am there with you to see these model homes. And also, if you're looking for more information about Astor Creek, I did put together a document that I linked in the description that is going to cover more information about the community, as well as the floor plans available at Astor Creek. I believe this community has potential to grow in value each year due to its unique way of combining golf and lifestyle amenities unlike any other community in Port Saint Lucie, along with also having newer aged homes with luxury finishes. Is going to continue being a commodity in this area for years to come, and tying all that together with being centrally located between St. Lucie West and the continuously developing Tradition area, I just think the sky is the limit for the Astor Creek community. So if you know that you would like to move to Astor Creek, please do contact me. I would love to be your realtor in purchasing your new home at Astor Creek. My email will be shown here on the screen, so please feel free to contact me. I really hope you got some value from watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.